Hi, this is your rider Nadar, and today we will be riding for Rajmachi. And officially, this is my first vlog, so there will be some mistakes. Please do overlook it. Few of my friends are waiting on the way. Let's catch them up and start the ride. Let's ride.
Alright, we are set and we are moving towards Nerul, where a few of my friends will be waiting for me. Before that, I need to go to Kalwa and pick up one of my friend who will be my opinion. And finally, once we all meet up, the real ride starts there. So here they are, everyone waiting for us opposite to the DY Patil Stadium since long, and we delayed the ride by an hour or so. The one who is introducing all is Prasad, who is my friend since our college days. He is also a YouTuber. So once the introduction is done, we make a move. Finally, the ride begins now. Whenever I'm not sure about the path ahead, that will I be stuck or I can make through it, I used to tell Aman to go ahead, and if he gets stuck there, I used to tell Prathamesh to take another path, and if he doesn't get stuck there, so we all used to take that path and then help out Aman or Prathamesh, whoever is stuck. If both are stuck, we used to take the third path. Look at him, Amab gets stuck here again. Bike is stuck in the slush. He was quite a lot of helpful for us, as whenever he used to get stuck, we used to take another path, and sometimes if we are unaware of the path and we are not sure how it will be, I used to tell him take this path, and if he gets stuck there, we used to take another path. This was the first place where everyone got stuck. Each and every bike got stuck here. Due to rain, as all the ditches were filled with water, it was difficult to know where there are potholes and where the roads are normal. It was a good gesture by few people who came for a trekking. They were helping the bikers to get out of the ditches. Now the one issue helping a biker stuck in a mud, if you're pushing from behind and he raises, the tire spins and all the mud and the slush with the rainwater comes on your face and you're covered with mud. But that's also a fun to get covered with slush.
नहीं वहाँ पे भी खड़ा है।
The trail may look easier, but due to less traction, no friction with the surface because of the slush and the heavy rain, it was quite a lot of difficult to clear the path. You can see in the video the tires are spinning, but the bike refused to move ahead. But after a few difficulties, it moved.
निकला
Aman gets stuck here royally. Let's help him out to get out, and we are sure that we are not taking the same trial.
अरे हैंडल सीधा रखो यार, हैंडल सीधा रखो। आगे
trail was very difficult because of the slush, water bodies, and in many parts of the trail there were pieces of rocks scattered. So it was a bit difficult to cross this path, but it was fun to do it. Earlier I have done Rajmachi during summer, and it was really difficult at that time to cross this path. That time I thought I wouldn't go for a Rajmachi during rainy because it will be too much difficult. But Prasad had requested me for a ride this Sunday, so I thought let's give it a try. Let's see how difficult the trial will be. If others can do it, why cannot I? Even if others couldn't do it, I should give a try. But this was really difficult, and it drained out the whole energy of each and every riders there, because we have to lift the bike somewhere, we have to push our bikes. The bikes were anyhow above 150 kgs, so that made us drain energy a lot. But it was good, it was raining, so we didn't feel much tired. Believe me guys, even the Ladakh ride which I did 2 years back, it was a solo ride, but it didn't drain this much of energy as the Rajmachi did. But it's worth giving it a try once.
Hope you guys have seen the video, and it was really a tiring ride, and you might have seen it in the video. So it's 8:30 in the evening. We have reached just now because of heavy traffic. I'm dead tired. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.